Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the C.R. Lawrence S3PN. This is a standard wall mount support in a PN finish, or polished nickel. It's heavy, weighs practically 4/10 of a pound, at least it does with the included mounting screw that's here. Excellent quality material. Very nice finish. Polished nickel. Dimensional properties, let's go over that now. Overall length of the item, about 1 7/16 inches. Base diameter, about 1 15/16. It's going to have an inside dimension for your rod of 0.766. 0.766. It's going to have a depth .806 deep to where that shoulder is going to come in place. 0.806. So if we're dealing with an overall of, according to the caliper, 1.478, I'm going to measure that again. Yeah, about 1.47. You're going to have roughly 11/16 of an inch from the bottoming out of that hollowed area to the end. So if you've got 11/16 times 2, you're going to have a total of 1 5/8. That your rod could technically be smaller than the opening. It probably might obviously allow for a 1/4 inch margin on either end, or maybe 3/16. That set screw looks like it's about in the center of that recessed area. You're obviously not going to cut anything until you get this, but nonetheless, I wanted to provide a guideline to that. The S3 is the wall mount bracket. Now the PN is polished nickel, and that's what this finish is. This item is available in several finishes, maybe a dozen. Oil rub bronze, let's go through them. Oil rub bronze, brushed nickel, polished brass, polished chrome, polished nickel, satin chrome, satin nickel, and white. I was way off. 8 finishes. Very nice quality item, and you're going to get that 2.5 inch or so long screw for attaching. At least they'll get you started with that. Now finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the C.R. Lawrence products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog where you can review, well, in this case, there is probably 24 full-line catalogs that are above here, and the one you'd want to likely draw your attention to would be the one called Shower Door Hardware, where you'll be able to see such hardware, and the rods, and the hinges, and the hardware, and the gaskets, and the tools used for setting all of that material, a quite comprehensive offering of shower door equipment. And then you can see from those other top-level categories some of the other primary categories that C.R. Lawrence gets into, such as architectural metals, aluminum storefront material, commercial hardware, and so on. If you have any questions on the C.R. Lawrence S3PN polished nickel wall support bar bracket, or any other C.R. Lawrence product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.